Good afternoon, parents. Here is another tutorial, and today's tutorial will be how to log your scholars into their online Wonders portal, which they will have many assignments during this time of online education. So when you get to the Google Classroom, you're going to go ahead and hit your upcoming. So in this class right now, the first thing I've assigned is the ELA quiz. Now, if you notice, it's not due until Tuesday the 14th. So you have Monday. Actually, you can take it at your leisure between now and Monday. But when you click on it, it's going to go to this page. So when you do that, you're going to click on the link. But before we go there, it says your username is your Savant student email, and your password will be Savant1. So once it prompts you for your username and your password, you're just going to type in your student's email and Savant1. So let's click on the link. Okay, so the username will be your scholar's username. I'm going to use Carson's for an example again. And then for your password, it's going to be Savant1, SAVANT1. You're going to hit login. Once you hit login, it's going to ask you to launch it. So you're going to need to go ahead and just go to the button to launch. Now, everyone should arrive at this page. I have assigned the ELA quiz, and that's going to be under the to-do list, but I'm just going to go over a few of the other buttons as well. So our words to know, this will be your high frequency words that we've learned, or any CVC words. Remember, those CVC are the consonant, vowel, consonant, like mom, pop, top. We have our writing. If there's a writing assignment, it's going to be posted here, and you'll see a little icon with the 1 saying you have an assignment waiting. The games, this is at your leisure. This will be games that are paralleled with what we are learning about that week in our unit. And the reading will be all of the reading that is, once again, in that unit for the week. So if you just click on that, and I'll go back to that in a moment. But for now, we're going to go to our to-do. It's going to have the current work right there, right, ready to go. So you have back to school review. So in order to do this, you're going to go to my tests. And it'll have the test, review test 1, which is the back to school review. You can take it now. So the due date will show here. I don't have a set due date, but it will be the 14th as it says on Google Classroom. So once you're done taking the test, it goes straight to, the information is sent straight to me, so you don't have to worry about uploading anything or letting me know that it's been taken, because it'll already go to me. So going back here, so this is your binder. Anytime you do any work, it's going to be posted to your binder. All right, and so we'll get to your binder in just a moment, but I wanted to go over the reading. So if you look back on your kindergarten class, it's going to have a reading assignment. So give me one moment, week 1. So if you look, this is their in-home, what they're supposed to do after they're done with their class. They have their ELA books, so they're gonna complete pages 213 to 214. But in order to do that, they need to read their Wonders Online assignments. So you're gonna read When Daddy's Truck Comes to Pick, I cannot talk today. When Daddy's Truck Picks Me Up. So once you go to your Wonders, you're gonna click Read. And we have it right here. When Daddy's Truck Picks Me Up, double tap it. It's going to bring you right to this page. Now I have it that the audio is on, so if you don't want to read to your scholar necessarily, they can just do this on their own and have it read to them. Let's see if it works. And so it'll go through the entire book and it's going to read. So your scholar can just click and it will read to them, because their first assignment actually, page 213, is responding to the text. So they need to read the book for that. So that's how we do that. You can leave it. Going back. Now, each day, as you see, they're going to have some reading. So we have when Daddy's truck picks me up. On Tuesday, they're going to have to read Dad got a job. So go right here. We have Dad got a job. We have on Wednesday, they're going to reread when Daddy's truck picks me up. So reread, you're going to go here. Reread when Daddy's truck picks me up. Thursday, they have Get It Quick from the Decodable Readers. So you're going to go Decodable Readers. Now for this, you're going to have to scroll down until you get to the story. Get It Quick. There's the story. So your scholar will need to look and sound out all of these CVC words. There's lots of them here. So you're going to sound those out with your scholar, reading the whole story. It's about 6 pages. And Jenna's quick, so you're going to stop right there. It got here quick. So that's how we do those assignments. And then let's go ahead and go back to your binder, and I'll explain everything when you save your work in your binder. So everything is going to be saved into your binder. I have made an example assignment only just to show you what this is going to look like. Now I'm going to go back really quick to see now instead of 1 assignment, it's 2 assignments. So always make sure to see the number so that'll tell you exactly how many things they need to do. It has a due date here, and it does have the due date for the back to school as well. So when you click on your, so this is the current work, you're going to go ahead to do my work. Oh, I'm sorry. So the example assignment is going to be right here. You clicked on it, just like when you click on the back to school review, it's there. All right. So for the assignment, you're going to click, you can just double click it. And it's going to bring up whatever the assignment is. So it says, look at the picture, what is happening in the picture. Have your scholar just look at the picture and see, okay, I can water a plant. Looking at the picture, is that what it's doing? Yes. So that's just the read together portion. Then it says, the picture shows a girl watering a flower. Look at the sentence that Maya wrote. The sentence tells about something that Maya does. So now it says ideas. Look at the sentence that Matt wrote. The picture and sentence tell about an idea. So here we go. It says what is happening in the picture. So with this, whenever it's blank, you're going to go down to your pencil and you can write on here. I'm going to write plants. So what's happening in the picture? Plants. That's not a full sentence. Please don't let your scholar do that. However, that's just an example. So when you have that, if you want to undo it or, just remove it, you can just do that. Now, if you would like to type, just hit the T and then you can type that way. Some of my scholars are still learning to type, so this may not be the easiest method for them. However, if they would like to, this will give them great practice typing. So when it asks you, you're going to say what is happening in the picture. So she is putting water on the plant. So we have that. Now, if you follow the mouse, you're going to save it once you're done with all of this because it's not going to go anywhere, okay? So once you're done with all of this, he has a crayon. All right. So once you're done with all of what it's asking you to write, you're going to go right here. You don't need to print anything because we're not submitting anything that way. You're going to click on the save and it says save to your binder and save to your assignment and your work and to my work in your binder. Okay, so now that that's saved, we're going to go ahead and exit. Now you can also save down here. So it doesn't have to be up here, but you can also save down here as well. So once you exit out, now you can go to my binder. You're going to go to my work and it's saved right here, exactly what you just did. So when you click on it, if you want to edit it, you can. Oh, I'm sorry. No, don't edit it. So once you click on it, There we go. It's still right here. All the work that you did. Now, what I can do on my end is I will look each day at each scholar's binder, and so making sure that they have their work done for that day, and then I'll go in and give them the points for that assignment. All right, so to log out, just go ahead and hit log out, and you're done.